Trey created these visions.
I'm back with another video today. And today we in Boca Raton with it. We're doing a quick BTS behind the scenes photo shoot. We're just showing behind the scenes. I'm with a beautiful model here. Her name is Laura. She speaks a little bit of English. She speaks Spanish. She from Colombia. The basic for this video is I'm gonna be showing you how to pose a model without technically talking to her, basically like body language and direction and stuff like that. So yeah, hope y'all enjoy the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy the footage. Huh?
No, it's good.
You said throw it?
No, hold it like that. Hold it like that. No, to your chest, yeah.
All right. 3, 3, 2, 1. Need some more like more expression. How you say espresso? Espresso? Espresso and it's like yeah, like that. Like ja. Ja. Yeah. Okay. Good. Get a little bit up close.
Go ahead.
All right, so we're switching from the 50mm 1.8 to the 24-105 f4L lens. Big baby. All right.
Oh
yeah. So put your hand like that, and then look up at the sky. Yeah. Go up like this. Yeah. Like this. Yeah. Like that. Yeah. Keep doing it. Yeah. Keep doing it. Yeah. So yeah. So it look natural. Yeah. Yes, 3, 2, 1, do it. No, one. This is perfect, yeah. Nice, one.
Yeah, I know.
All right, good. Good. Next location. I'm trying to highlight, get some hairline on her. That right to highlight her hair, but she needs to go out a little bit more. You want to see after the window or no? Ready? Cool. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Let's move a little bit more. Maybe here. Yeah. Let's see. Shutter speed at 1/320th. We had f4, and our ISO is at 800. Get a little POV if you want to. Damn, that sound in the way. I didn't see that. We're gonna get it from this angle. Full body, one of those players. One off, and then we just get headshot. Yeah, a little smile and look down. Yeah, good. Yeah. All right, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful, good. All right, y'all. So we at the second and last location. With this shoot, I'm gonna focus more on posing and actually talking to the camera. I've been doing that so far, but I'm gonna do it a little bit more often just to get more to the point of the challenge of the video. We just arrived at this location. It's a little bit more jungle feely, a little bit more tropical kind of. We're getting better shots and there's less light. The sun went down a little bit more, so it's not as exposed as it was previously, and we get a way more natural light and way more hair light. Laura changed into a black nice outfit. You can get the shoes, so you see we got some nice heels, tacones in Espanol, and yeah, part 2. Let's go. comfortable. Good. No, bring this one back. Put that one up. Good. You balance. Okay. Another one on the side like this. Yeah. All right, ready? All right. 3, 2, 1. All right, same pose. Uno. Ready? Uno, dos, tres. Head down a little bit. Yeah. Uno, dos, tres. Okay. Hold on. Good. Doing good. Oh, y'all. So we doing. We set up the flash. We got the this explosive ambient. This the ambient look like. That's the ambient. Like you can still see the highlights in the background. We turn on the flash. We got 1/4, 0.07 increment. We're gonna raise this flash. Okay, so you just sit up good. Put everything good. Good. Hold on, just like that. Let's get you. All right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold on. Wait a minute. Oh yes. Oh yes. I'll put the flash on the left side of her. Like the side facing. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. I can talk to the camera yet. That's crazy.
Right. Yes. Right out.
All right, y'all. That's it for the video. Hope y'all guys enjoyed. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Laura did good. Laura did good. Pretty good shoot. She did pretty good for her first time. It's her first time actually doing a photo shoot, and having to communicate with somebody that don't speak her language was kind of hard for her. She did good though. Beautiful. Shout out to China behind the camera for doing the video work with the gimbal, the Weebwebs, and the M50. And yeah, that's it for the video. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Show some love, like, comment, subscribe. And we out.
Ooh, Trey created that.